the contact us page. So with the help of contact us, you can get in touch with us in case you have any feedback, in case a player has any feedback, or looking for any partnership opportunity, etc. This is a basic contact us page where we have certain details such as name, email, phone, message, etc. Now let's move on to the games page. So as you can see on the games page, we have implemented hover effect on the menu cards using frame of motion variable for smooth transition and also displaying the details above in a much larger hero section area. Here we also have a search bar. So here you can search all the games. Like here we are searching for Mines and the game appears. Below we have displayed all the games available on our platform. Let's look at each game one by one. First, let's look at the Mines game. So in the Mines game, first we have an option for selecting the number of mines. You can adjust that based on the difficulty level you want. So here as a prototype, we are selecting one mine. Next, you'll have to insert a bet value. This is the amount that the user wants to bet. Then we click on Start Game. So on clicking Start Game, the front end interacts with a smart contact and a MetaMask pop-up appears as shown. And here we can confirm the transaction. So when you confirm the transaction, the bet value, the bet amount is stored in the contract. And also after clicking on the Start Game and once the payment is completed, the board initializes itself and the mines are placed randomly anywhere in the board. So by doing this, we ensure that no player can hack and find the position of the mines before the game begins. So this also increases the fairness. So this is an technology that is implemented. So now we start by clicking on the tiles. Wherever you feel that a mine won't be placed, you can click on the tile. And the game ends either when you click on cash out or if a mine appears. So on clicking cash out, the bet amount is after each diamond appears, the bet amount is multiplied by a multiplier. And the multiplier's value is decided by the number of mines you've selected before. So over here, as you can see, after we cash out, the winning amount is decided. And then on clicking cash out, the payment is sent from the contract to the player's account. In case you get a mine, so let's try that by selecting 10 mines so that the probability of getting a mine is higher. So we start the game. As you can see on starting the game, the MetaMask window appears. After confirming it, the game begins. Start. Yeah. So now, as you can see, on the first go itself, we've encountered a mine. So when you get a mine, the game automatically ends and so the player does not get any money in return, and the amount that he had bet earlier goes to the uh, contract. Now let's move on to the next game. The next game we have is High or Low. This is a card game. Here, similar to the Mines game, first we have to enter a bet value. So we enter the bet value. For example, we have entered 1/8 in this case. As 1/8 is a very large amount, we'll reinitialize the bet amount to 0.1, which is a relatively small amount. Let's make it 0.01. So now when you click on draw first card, the same thing that happened in Mines when you clicked on start game happens here. The MetaMask window appears and now we've confirmed the transaction. So after confirming the transaction, the first card will appear. So as you can see, Over here, the first card is a queen, which is a very high value. So now we'll have to guess if the other card, if the second card will be higher or lower than this. So now we click on lower because the probability of winning there is more. After clicking on lower, as you can see, we've won. And see, just as the mines game, here also we have a multiplier, and the winning amount is determined on how many times you win. So now we have won once, so we can cash out. The game ends. And here, as you can see, we've also added some instructions in case someone who's unfamiliar with the game can read it and play. So here, as you can see, the cash out window has appeared. And on clicking confirm, the bet value into the multiplier. So whatever the winning amount is, which is the bet value multiplied by the multiplier, it gets sent to your address. Let's move on to the next game. So the next game is spin wheel. So in spin wheel, we have three levels: low, medium, and high. In high, the zero x multiplier is present in the most probability. So here, basically, what happens is we spin and it randomly stops at a variable. And depending on the multiplier amount of that variable, the bet amount is multiplied by the multiplier. So that's the winnings you get. So let's go on low. First, let's set the bet amount.